Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I have got a little unbagging for you from the lovely people over at New Craft Day. So I have picked out a couple of items to share with you. So let's waste no time. Let's get straight inside and see what I've got. Okay. We'll go with the one that we can see, first of all. Now, I picked this one because I love a partial, and particularly because this month, over on Diamond Painting with Friends, we are celebrating 1 year of the Diamond Painting with Friends group. So the theme for this month, which is being hosted by Crafty Chef Diamond, is celebration. And I spotted this and I thought it would be absolutely perfect for this month's event. So I'm just gonna take this off so we can see it without the glare. You can see here, so we've got a few little creases, but they will come out no problem at all. This is a beautiful partial with lots of lovely sparkly elements and some big special drills there. Put that back over. We will have a little look at the drills. Our kit for this one is your basic boat wax pen. Okay, oh, beautiful. So here we have got some, what colour are they? Kind of almost, they're lavender edging to bluebelly kind of colour. We have a lovely dark amethyst purple. We've got a blue. We've got a chunky big bag of silver. We've got a little bit of an ambery brown colour. We've got these lovely half pearls with an AB coating. Those are beautiful. The camera is not doing them justice. We've got some AB Marquise facets there, and we've got some gold half circles. So this is going to be very fun to do. Yeah, shouldn't take very long at all. We've got nice clear symbols on there, and I'm sure that this is going to be lovely once it's all finished and popped in a frame. I just thought, you know, it was champagne and it was purple. It was very me. It was very on theme for the event. And yes, cheers to the Diamond Paint with Friends group. Thank you for having me, and long may it continue. I'm having the most fun helping out with the events, taking part, meeting new people. There is no restriction to entry. Do go check out the Facebook group. Take part in the events. There is something every month except December, because that's sort of a family rest month. I will pop a link down below so that you can find the group and check it out. And if you wanted to get yourself a canvas like this celebration partial champagne canvas, which I will also link down below, is £4.83, which I think is perfectly reasonable for a lovely little partial with so much sparkle and special drills. Now, obviously on this channel we know that diamond painting is not the only craft that I do. I like all of the crafts, and so when I spotted this on the New Craft Day website, I was like, need to try this out. So in here we have got, oh, look at those colours, my goodness, there are some bright colours there. Oh, we have got a little bit of leakage, so hopefully that'll be all right. I will test that out in a second. So this is the picture that I have got as a paint by numbers. I think I have seen Christopher Kalasa unbox this as a diamond painting, but probably from a different company. I recognised the picture, so if anybody else recognises it, let me know where you've seen it. This is a 60 by 45. We might need to zoom out a little bit. Oh, there's our brushes. Again, we've got a few creases, but they will come out. You can do a cool iron with a towel on top. That normally works. But yes, so here we go. I really like the look of this because if I zoom you in, you can see how clear it is. There's real clear distinction between the areas that you're going to paint. Nothing is too tiny, and it all kind of makes sense. I do like as well that they've used this sort of color grading shading in the background just to give you an idea and differentiate the areas that you're going to be painting. So everything that is going to be number 3 is in this grey. This is going to be the darkest kind of the leading of the stained glass window, which would explain why we have got 3 pots of it. Now I will just check on those paints to make sure that they are okay, because I'm a little bit concerned about that leaky one. I hope it hasn't dried out. However, we'll see. I'm sure it'll be fine. Let's have a little look. I don't want to open them on top of the canvas just in case they are a bit leaky. So all of the paints are numbered. This was the one that I was a little concerned about. Let's have a look. Oh no, see, inside's perfectly fine. That's all right. I think it was just a bit over full when they packed it. So that's all good. And then, yeah, we've got extras of number 3. So we also get some little brushes, 2 rounds and a flat, and they always give you the hanging furniture for if you are going to mount this, which is not something that I tend to do, but it's nice that they give them to you anyway. But yeah, so I'm really pleased with this. I've not done a paint by numbers on the channel for a while. I thought it was about time. And I had recently been talking to the lovely Roxy the Dotty Crafter about paint by numbers and how she had been looking for something that was like bold and easy to do and beginner friendly. And whilst this isn't necessarily for a beginner because it's quite big, I do think that it's very doable, and it is much less complex than some of the other paint by numbers I've done in the past. I will pop a link up in the eye to my paint by numbers playlist should you wish to go back and have a nose at stuff I've done in the past. There's not a lot, but there's a little bit, and it is something that I enjoy, although I don't share it enough on the channel. If you want, you know, some sort of paint by numbers content more often, maybe a live stream or something, let me know down in the comments. As always, I'm happy to try and create whatever it is yeah, keeps the people happy. So this was £11.41, which I think is a great price. This is, you know, a decent quality. You can see it's like an artist canvas. It's been obviously primed and printed, ready for painting, so you can literally, I would give this a little iron to get rid of the creases, and then I normally like to masking tape around the edges, the same as you would with a diamond painting, just so that when you're done you get a nice crisp edge. And then you know, you're free to go, and you don't have to do it all in one sitting. It's acrylic paint, so it's very forgiving. You can work on it for a bit, and then if you need to stop, as long as the paint's dry, you can roll it up, pop it away for a bit, and it's all good. My 2 finds from New Craft Day that I'm so happy to share with you today: the partial special drill celebration canvas for the May event with Diamond Paint with Friends, and this beautiful stained glass horse unicorn that I'm going to be having a go at just for fun, just because I want to. As I said, the celebration painting was £4.83. The unicorn paint by numbers is £11.41. However, New Craft Day have very kindly given me a discount code on the screen now. That is the Crafty10, and that will give you 10% off your order should you wish to go and buy anything from their website. If not these items, then treat yourself to something else. So as always, thank you so much for joining me. Let me know down in the comments which of these items you like. Do you like paint by numbers? Have you done it before? What's your feelings about partial diamond paintings? Are you a fan? I really like them as a little in-between refresher or a little break from when I'm doing a much more intensive big project. If you like what I do here, please do remember to leave a like, share with a friend, subscribe if you haven't already, become a member of the Crafty Coven. You can always support the channel over on Patreon, and I am super grateful for everybody that already does over there. And until next time, stay crafty!